Hi guys, today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on it. If you enjoy it, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. First step to manage your Google passwords is you must go to the Google Chrome, Google Chrome application, and now we press three dots on the right corner. Navigate to the settings and hit password manager, and there we have some option save passwords, auto singing, which we can turn on or turn off, and we have a list of our passwords which our Samsung Galaxy Tab remember. In my case to the Facebook, we can manage it by press that, and we can copy our email or our passwords, or after we press this eyes icon, our tablet show us password which remember. We can delete it what our Samsung Galaxy remember by this trash icon, and confirm all by delete passwords. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.